Hello, friends. Today, we're diving into a hadith from Sahih al-Bukhari, narrated by Umar bin Al-Khattab. This hadith shows us the incredible power of intentions in Islam. Umar bin Al-Khattab narrated that the Prophet Muhammad said, "Actions are judged by their intentions, and each person will be rewarded according to their intention. So, whoever migrated for a worldly gain or to marry someone, their migration was for that reason." Isn't that amazing? The Prophet is teaching us that what really matters is why we do things, not just what we do. Exactly, my friends. This hadith reminds us that even good deeds can lose their value if our intentions aren't right. Doing things to show off or for personal gain takes away from the sincerity of our actions. This is a reminder to be sincere in everything we do. Whether we're praying, helping others, or working, we should do it all for the sake of Allah. Absolutely, Allah knows our hearts, and He rewards us based on our intentions. So, let's make sure our intentions are pure and aimed at pleasing Allah. Thanks for joining us in this quick, but important discussion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.